Hey guys, it's Martin again here to tell you about a couple of cool new stocks that you might be interested in. Um, Today we are focusing on the AES Corporation. Now, guys, the AES Corporation is an energy stock and they supply energy to millions of homes in the USA. That's correct. So if you take a look here, you see that they've been on a steady uptrend um, over the past day. I've been watching them for maybe a couple weeks now. I love how when they dropped, they weren't one of the stocks to immediately bounce up due to not being one of those like commercial stocks that the Fed has just been pumping money into lately. So here we are at a healthy 44 rebound off the lows, around 12 high 11s. Um, this stock has gained maybe 30 to 40% off of the lows. I think that it's looking like it might want to come back down and retest the low 12s or the low 13s. If so, I may pick some of this up. Um, as far as why I'm looking into them because of a crypto that I just found out about recently. I just did a lot of big digging into this crypto, and it is going to be in my next video, guys. So if you want to see what the crypto is, please go ahead and subscribe. It will be coming out later this week. Let's dive into the statistics, guys, here and see if we can, garner a little bit more of a better picture for the stock. All right, guys. So here we are, taking a look at the statistics. We have a price to earnings ratio of around 10, 11, with a trailing price to earnings of around 32. Um, Price to book ratio is around 4. Enterprise value to revenue is around 3. That looks pretty good to me. Price to sales at a 98, a 0.98, excuse me. That looks actually pretty good. It looks like they have a small profit margin with a decent operating margin. Let's see how much revenue these guys make. Almost 10 billion in revenue here. Revenue per share coming in at 14.8. Guys, let's take a look at the price again here. We're talking about a $14 price with a steady revenue stream of about $14 a year. So, I mean, that looks pretty great. When you take a look at the earnings per share, they have a diluted earnings per share here of 44 cents. 44 cents a share, they're giving out a dividend yield of about 4%. You know, the average for the last 5 years has been $3.71. It looks like that they had a split recently, and did they tell you? Did they tell you where like you can find the amount of dividends per year? I don't see it. I don't see it anywhere, guys. A lot of this is held by institutions, guys. Almost 97% of the shares are held by institutions. Is that a good thing? I mean, I like to buy stuff that's heavily invested into by the institutions. However, I would prefer that it is, not just money market managers and stuff like that, because they all sell when everybody else sells. However, noticing that the price didn't really go up as much as the other companies, the consumerist types of companies, I'm betting to think that this is in the smart money. I'm betting to think that this is in the smart money, guys. So let's take a look at the debt to equity. This looks terrible, guys. Debt to equity does not look good. Book value per share looks okay. Total cash per share you know, you're getting almost $3 a share. You're paying about $15 a share, so you're getting about 20 cents for every $10 you spend. I mean, 20 cents for every dollar you spend. And total cash 1.87 billion. All right, so I can see why maybe this company wasn't picked up. They've got a lot of debt, guys. They've got a lot of debt, but they are an energy company, and energy companies do, they do persevere through recessions and stuff like that. So, I'm going to pick this up. I'm pretty sure it's going to rebound off these lows. We will see. I'm probably going to take an option out, and I'm not exactly looking at this for a long term since I just noticed that there is a very, very high debt to equity ratio. As far as today, it looks a little toppy today, guys. On the 5-day, it looks, wow, this whole page really has to refresh like that. Let's take a look at the 5-day. Yes, on the 5-day, it also looks pretty toppy, guys. So let's take a look at the 1 month. On the 1 month, also looking toppy. Take a look at the 6-month chart. Sort of looking toppy. Alright, so when we zoom out, guys, this actually looks like pretty good. It's hitting very, very close to a historical support range here. The support range around $11.50 to $12. It's pretty close to that. I'm looking to pick it up maybe if it hits 11 to 11.75, somewhere around there, guys. I might pick this thing up and see if I can do a swing trade on it. Right now, I would be looking to short this possibly. I'm just keeping it on my radar. I'm not pulling the trigger anytime soon, guys. So that's AES Corporation, and it is a nod to a crypto that I will be dropping in a later video. Thanks a lot, guys.